Nokia X71, let me show you how to insert here the nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing here the power key, keep holding power button, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to open the slot of your card. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Simply use some thumb tag or special eject tool to press it here, and now you can remove the whole thing into your device. So as you can see here, you can insert 2 nano SIM cards or 1 micro SD and 1 nano SIM card. Let me do it that way. Let's insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. So let's place this card in that position. Alright, and let's insert the nano SIM card as well. Now put the whole thing into your device. And all you need to do right now is simply press power key to switch on your device. The Nokia X71 is turning on. Wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see here we've got information about the SD card, and the device is trying to connect to your mobile network, so both cards are working correctly, are inserted also correctly. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.